science fiction right. Making pizza is such a delight. With a roll here and a spin there, pizza fun is everywhere. Red the sauce, nice and red. Tomatoes dancing on the bread. Circle it round, smooth and slow. Now it's time to watch it glow. With a swish here and a swirl there, pizza sauce is everywhere. Red. Cheese, sprinkle it on. Stretchy and gooey, it won't take long. Yellow, white, or mix it too. Watch it melt like magic goo. With a sprinkle here and a splash there, cheesy goodness everywhere. Red. What's your topping? What's your pick? Pepperoni, mushrooms, make it quick. Olives, peppers, corn so sweet. Piling up flavors that can't be beat. With a plop here and a pop there, tasty toppings everywhere. Red. Into the oven, nice and hot. Watch it bake right on the spot. Bubbling cheese, crisp so brown. Get ready for the best pizza in town. With a tick-tock here and a ding there, pizza magic fills the air. Red. Slice it up, 1, 2, 3. Time to share with you and me. Take a bite, crunchy and warm. Pizza power keeps us strong. With a yum here and a munch there, pizza love is everywhere.